Hello, hi, welcome. I'm just Mr. Matthew and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change the mouse cursor to your own. For example, if you want to conduct some training, record a guide or just for decorative purposes. So first you need to do is open your browser and type in the address bar rw-designer.com and /librar and Y. Now press enter. And now you can search for the mouse cursor you want to install. But note that some options contain single cursors and some contain whole packages. For example, here you have only normal cursors. Select cursors, and here you have all cursors, normal cursors, link, resize and help cursors, etc. You also can search for the cursor you are interested in. Just enter the phrase you are interested in the search field, for example blue, and press enter or click search. Okay, once you choose something, you have two download options. First, you can download a single cursor, just click here and save, or you can download the entire package, just click download and save. I've already done. Now go to the control panel, click hardware and sound and click mouse, go into pointers tab, and here you can change individual cursor. Just double click or click browse. Now you have to choose your own cursors. But how? Go into the folder with the downloaded cursors and click right click 7-zip, extract to and your cursor's name. Here. Now we need to go to system cursors folder, so go into my computer, your main operating system drive, Windows folder and cursors folder. Now you need to put these downloaded cursors into this folder. Yes, continue and close this window. Back to the control panel, hardware and sound, then mouse and pointers. Now you can change all your cursors just like that and choose normal select. As you can see, it's working. Now I will change all my cursors and I will speed up the video, so wait. And as you can see, all my cursors have been changed. Normal cursors, cursor resize, handwriting, etc. And if you liked this short guide, you can like this video. I encourage you to leave a subscription, leave a comment, and also remember that I have my fan page on Facebook, Polish fan page. So all links you have in descriptions, link to my fan page, link to this cursor's site, and goodbye, have a nice day, bye.